Okay, so the next topic we're going to talk about is trigonomic functions and special angles, problem type 1. Okay, so what they're asking for here is for you to find the exact value of sine of negative 225 degrees. So that's one you can't plug in your calculator because they're looking for the exact value. So if they're looking for the exact value, that's going to make it, you're going to have to go to the unit circle, okay? So if we're going to the unit circle, there's two things we got to keep in mind, okay? That the cosine, oops, let's move that down a little bit lower. So cosine of value is going to be your um, x value, okay? And then sine is going to be your y value, okay? So if you think about the ordered pair, x, y, that's going to be the same thing as cosine sine, all right? So it's like cosine sine, okay? So here we go. Let's figure out what they're trying to find here, okay? They're trying to find, let's get this thing out of there. They're trying to find the sine, right? It says sine. So if they're talking about sine, we want the y value. Okay, so we're looking for the y value on the ordered pair. Now, 200 negative 225 degrees. Well, you can see 225, it's right there. But that's not what we want, because that's starting here and going all the way up and around to there. Okay, that's not what we want. We want to go the other way. That's the negative. This negative means go the other direction. So we're going to start here and go all the way around to there. The same distance, just in the opposite direction. Okay? So we want this direction in red, not in blue, because we want negative 225. Now, let's say you couldn't figure out how far that was. What you could do is subtract um, 360 from 225, and I'll leave you with 135, which is actually what we're looking for. We're looking for 135. All right, so they're looking for the exact value, right? Exact value. We know that the sine is going to be the y value. Okay, so the y value is going to be, this is going to be your x, of course, and that's going to be your y. And since we're looking for the y, it's going to be right here, and that's our answer. So it's going to be root 2 divided by 2. That's it. That's your that's your final answer. You just type that in. Okay, now had they want cosine, you would use the other value. So it's a piece of cake. Just watch your negatives, make sure you're going the right direction. Remember that cosine is the x value, sine is the y value, and yeah, just refer back to your unit circle and you're done.